Hey guys, what's up? It's Ryan the Railfan. We got the MPXTU coming right now. Hope you guys like. Here it comes. Let's hear that horn. All right. That's pretty cool, guys. That was awesome, guys. For some reason, the lead unit was run without the lights off. We still got a horn show, though. That's pretty cool. Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for great rail finding content. I might be maybe later on out today for the MHNPX. I don't know yet. Anyways, Rail Fan out. That was actually yesterday's inbound MTUPX, I think, or it's either MTUPX or MHNPX. I don't know. Anyways, because it had the same power. Anyways, Rail Fan out. Hold on here.